Someone has to count the grain, allocate it, defend it, and decide who eats when the harvest falls short. That someone accumulates power. That power gets passed to children. And suddenly, you have the skeleton of every political system that has existed since. Writing almost certainly began as a grain accounting tool. The earliest known writing, proto-cuneiform tablets from Uruk in modern Iraq, dates to around 3300 BCE, and the vast majority of the earliest inscriptions are not poetry, not law, not history. They are receipts. How many bushels came in, how many went out, who owes what to the temple storehouse. Civilization's first literature was a wheat ledger. Meanwhile, the human body was adapting, slowly and imperfectly, to a diet it had never eaten before in its evolutionary history. Amylase, the enzyme that breaks down starch, is produced in higher quantities in the saliva of modern humans than in any other primate, and geneticists have found that populations with long agricultural histories carry more copies of the gene that produces it. The genome was rewriting itself to run on wheat. Generations of people who could not digest grain-heavy diets well enough simply had fewer surviving children, quietly editing the human species toward a body that could tolerate what the trap required. This is not metaphor. This is mechanism. The grain reshaped the animal that farmed it at the level of DNA across hundreds of generations. In the same patient time frame, it had reshaped its own reproductive structure. Both species were changing each other. But the wheat had a simpler goal: reproduce, spread, cover the earth, and it achieved all three. By 5,000 years ago, wheat agriculture had spread from that original patch of Turkish hillside across the entire Middle East, into Egypt, across Europe, east into the Indus Valley. It did not spread because warriors forced it on unwilling populations, though sometimes that happened later.